Since 2008, Royal Albatross has been providing an unforgettable sailing experience like no other. Berthed away from mainland Singapore and located nearby some of Sentosa Island's most iconic attractions, such as Resorts World Sentosa and Universal Studios Singapore, we are Asia's only luxury tall ship, offering a unique sunset dinner cruise experience. As one of the best Singapore attractions this world-class city has to offer, our 360-degree panoramic views and majestic ambience have made us the top choice for all occasions. A major tourist attraction in Southeast Asia, the Royal Albatross crew is here to help you make it an unforgettable experience. Whether you're celebrating a special event or just looking to enjoy a romantic dinner cruise with the most spectacular view, whether you're looking for an intimate gathering or a larger-scale event with networking opportunities, Royal Albatross is the perfect venue for a sunset dinner cruise in Singapore. Our experienced crew will help you create an unforgettable experience. Take in stunning views of Singapore's waterfront attractions while networking with colleagues and indulging in gourmet food on board Royal Albatross. With our wide range of options, from a la carte menus to set dinner cruises, we can cater for all your needs. Experience Singapore from a whole new perspective with Royal Albatross's tall ship dinner cruise, the perfect choice for any special occasion or corporate event. Our crew will ensure that you and your guests have a memorable time experiencing Singapore's Skyline and waterfront attractions from our tall ship. The Royal Albatross started her life in Chicago, cruising the Great Lakes prior to the beginning of an epic journey that brought her over 15,000 kilometers from the moderate climes of North America to the tropical waters of Southeast Asia. Since arriving in Singapore, approximately 360,000 man-hours have been invested redesigning and refitting Royal Albatross, resulting in a sailing ship of unmatched quality and splendor. A ship designed to entertain and impress with 22 sails, over 650 square meters of canvas, and over 60,000 RGB lights to set Royal Albatross's mood for whatever the occasion requires.